Hi, this is Helena from Alpha Korean. Today, like I said last week, let's talk about how to study Korean fun. What do you think? Why is it important to study fun? I say because it's very difficult and also it takes very long time. Some people say that, oh, I heard that Korean is compared to the other Chinese and Japanese, like the other Asian language, it's easy. No, it isn't. What? I think you are confusing Hangul and Korean. Korean language is different with Hangul, of course. Hangul is just a writing system, and that is invented by one powerful person. And so this is just has an intention, like for the people who cannot read, so it's very easy to learn. But Korean language is not designed by one person. It just developed it everyone in this land. I mean, for about 5,000 years. So this is not logical and you cannot explain in a few words like when you learn Hangul, like your home language, alright? So what does this mean? Then is it better to give up just right now? Of course not. That's the reason why I'm telling you studying Korean fine is very important. If you have studying fine, you can concentrate than ever. So, as a result, you can study Korean in a short time. Okay? So in this video, I am share the 4 methods based on my experience how to study fine, and also I will introduce one website that help you to study Korean continuously. Alright, then let's go. Okay, the first, Google image search. I had a lot of fun when I'm doing this when I learned French just for 3 months. Of course, I was a very beginner at the time. It's like a game, it's very simple. Let me introduce you, it's very simple. Go to Google and just click the search setting and change your original setting to Korean. And then enter the image search and type words you learned. In Korean, of course. For example, when you search 배, it means pear. So you just imagine that, oh, maybe I can see the Korean pear image. But when you search 배, actually, maybe you can see 3 types of image because it has 3 meanings. The first one is belly, and the second one is boat, and third one is pear. The reason why I recommend this way is I think it makes you develop your sense of the target language. In this case, of course, Korean. If you just try to remember lots of words in this way, then when you heard something or when you see something, you can just immediately think of the real image in Korean image. Yeah? So I want to recommend this one. Okay. The second one is about song. Sing a song. If you like K-pop, that's a very good chance. Alright, I heard that lots of people, when they decided to learn Korean, they just like the sound. They say that it's smooth or cute or something. But for me, when I decided to learn English for the first time, I also very like the sound, the English sound. It's like I don't know how can I say that. But anyway, so I really likes to listen the sound and I also like to follow and sing along. So the first song that I can copy was Britney Spears' Baby One More Time. Yeah, hit me baby one more time. Yeah, it was very simple. And then what I did, I just copied the lyrics on my hand. And then also I just made a translation on the other side. It just looks like I'm studying very hard. I was so proud of myself at the time. It was not a homework from the school. It was for my own pleasure. So I think I had a special secret. And if I have experience like this one by one, what kind of person am I? I thought I'm a special person. if you like K-pop song and if you find the one song that you can make your secret with that lyrics, I hope you also have that kind of proud of you. Okay, the next one is watching movie. Yeah, some people like movie and some people like dramas and some people don't like either. But I like both. Well, I prefer movie. The first movie that I really liked, also very impressive, was Before Sunrise. Yeah, it's a very old movie, but anyway, I really liked that movie. There are two main characters, the one man and one woman. It's a romantic movie, and their conversation started so much fun, and it goes like some excitement, and also it goes strange tensions, and there was a deep emotional communication, like a spiritual communications. I was very touched, so I decided to do that. Okay, that's the English that I finally want to get. And that's the communication that I really want to make with the native speaker one day. So I remembered two lines. The one line was, have you ever been in love? And then the next line was, yeah, it's not just one line, but it's a one scene. So she asked, do you know what I really want now? And the man said nothing, silence. And she said, to be kissed. Yeah, that scene was very romantic. But actually I couldn't understand the grammatical, reason. Why? Because I know the have. I know have. Have it means to get. You is you. Ever. Been. What is been? No meaning. In is inside. Love? In love. It took a long time until I can understand what is have you been something phrase at school. I was really happy to learn that. This is the grammar topic, right? When I learned that things, I just immediately remember that lines. So it made me exciting to learn that part. Something like I can concentrate on my passion. Alright, so I also recommend you to get your one or two lines because it will make you feel more passionate. The next thing, go your favorite place whenever you study Korean. And listen to your favorite song and studying Korean with what you like. For me, before I go to the Canada to learn English in Vancouver, I just started to listen to CD in the morning. So I just had a breakfast in early morning and I went to the playground around 7:30. I saw the beautiful sunshine and it was very cool and wind with the birds singing. So it just made me feel very refreshed. So, and I went to Canada only for 4 weeks. How did it turns out? I could able to go beyond the basic conversation level. So the process of unconsciously making Korean fun is very important. Until now, I've talked about the 4 ways to studying Korean fun. And next, I'll introduce one website that helps you to study Korean. This is from May Ro. Can you make a video about useful websites for learning the Korean language? So for now, I will just let you know only one thing. This one is kind of all in one. 누리 세종학당. Yeah. I will share the link under this video. This website is operated by Korean government for overseas Korean educations. It means you can get lots of materials for free. So you have to get a membership. But once you sign up as a member, then log in, you will be able to get a level test, and also you can set up a roadmap how to study Korean, and you can take lots of various contents on that. There are lots of videos and also the test and lots of quiz. Yeah, test quiz is different, and also the lessons and lots of things. And there are also ebook, but you cannot download the PDF. That's the only one thing I don't like. But anyway, you can take various language courses for free from the basic. And I recommend 세종 한국어 series. Yeah, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, to 8, I think so. But I recommend 1 and 2 because this level covers the basic Korean conversation. So if you pass that part, I think you can complete the basic one when you make Korean conversation, okay? So you will make your background knowledge. All right. So I hope you just get the membership right now, and please let me know how was it, okay? I hope today's contents was helpful for you, and then next week I'll be back the video about how to stimulate you by yourself. Then see you next time. 안녕. 다음에 봐요.